Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we will paint dust particles using shape dynamics. Select a small speckled brush, open brush setting and enable shape dynamics. Max size jitter for random particle size and also increase angle jitter for scatter direction. Add roundness jitter for imperfect grains. Start tapping lightly across the canvas and dense particle in one area, spread lighter ones outward, change brush size occasionally, add faint glow behind some particles, and also create motion using blur if needed, combine layers for depth. Shape dynamics helps create chaos naturally, and that's how your paint